How we doing, everybody? Welcome back to Little Shop of Nightmares. I'm gonna get started on something this evening. Finish it up in a day or two, but I'm gonna try a label casting. Way back in the days of yore, they made pens that turn them upside down, had a little nudie girl on them. And I'm going to make something that's kind of a throwback tribute to that. I'm not putting nudie girls on them, but found some pinup stickers, and we're going to attempt to put one of those in a pen. Possibly, maybe, I don't know. I've tried it once before and it went horribly wrong, but I learned from my mistakes, I think, and we're going to give it another shot. So without further ado, let's get it started. All right, I'll be using a Slimline Pro kit, which takes the 8mm drill bit, and they're a little bigger around, so it gives us a little more space to work with. And I've already done this once on this tube, so I don't want to overdo it, or we'll have problems. But that got us as close as I want to get. Let me get you guys over on the lathe and we'll get started. All right, got us over here. Well, let's see. All right, got our caliper set, and see what we can get done. All right. Oh, get my hand dried off here. We will attempt to put a sticker on here. Double check, make sure we fit. We fit. We fumble around with this for a few minutes. Try to get the backing took off of it. Because, you know, why not? That'll work just fine. I'm gonna put a little thin CA on that around the edges to kind of just hold the sticker in place so it doesn't come off with the resin. We're just gonna turn that on real slow and let it do its thing. I'm gonna let that dry, and I'm gonna take it in and cast it, and I will bring you guys back in a day or two. Whenever we'll go ahead and cast it tonight, so throw it in the pressure pot. It'll be a couple of days, it'll be ready to finish turning. But anyway, I'll bring you guys back. All right, everybody. It's been, I don't know, 40 hours or something, but we're back. and we're going to continue turning. Let's see what we look like. believe we come out pretty good on that one. Probably could have been a little better, but it could have been a lot worse too. Well, let me get it put together and I'll bring you guys back and close it out. All right, everybody, we got it put together. I think it come out pretty good. It could have been better probably, but it could have been worse too. Got a couple little places where the resin didn't quite blend in well with the other, and that's partly my fault probably, I don't know, but I think it come out pretty good. Pretty cool little throwback tribute type thing. Of course it all works good and everything, but anyway, if you've stuck around this long, I hope you learned something, or if not, you know, if you didn't learn anything, hopefully maybe you were entertained. But as always, thanks for your time. We'll see you on the next one.